It is beginning, people. It is beginning.
All right, now let me change.
What are you about to do, Bryce?
Put an 8.5-inch loop on the sun.
8.5?
Yeah,
I thought you said 7.
it's 8.5 now.
What? What? Why?
You gotta go big.
Oh my God. Stay tuned. The lift is going in bigger than what he told me originally it was going to be. As long as it's not squatted, we're all good. What'd you say?
Linked, yes. Squatted, no.
What's linked? I told you.
2-inch difference.
I told you. What did I tell you?
A 2-inch difference is okay.
No.
Yes.